In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Zoho WorkDrive works. Think of WorkDrive as your team's secure, cloud-based home for files, instead of everyone keeping separate copies scattered across devices. Everything lives in one place your whole team can access, with permissions that keep information safe and organized. At the heart of WorkDrive are team folders. These aren't just regular folders. They're shared spaces that act as a central repository for your projects and departments. When you put files in a team folder, they're shared with team members by default, which means no more hunting for the latest version in email threads. Use team folders to group work by client, product, or initiative, and set clear roles so people see exactly what they need to. This keeps collaboration smooth without sacrificing control. Creating and collaborating on content happens right inside WorkDrive. You can open Zoho Writer for documents, Sheet for spreadsheets, and Show for presentations without leaving the platform. Multiple people can work together in real time so edits and comments appear instantly. This is ideal for drafting proposals, polishing reports, or refining slides. Because everyone stays on the same page, literally. Behind the scenes, WorkDrive tracks every change with detailed version history. You can review how a file evolved over time and see who viewed or edited it through activity logs. This transparency helps you understand decisions, maintain accountability, and avoid accidental overwrites. If you are coordinating across time zones or working with fast-moving documents, version tracking keeps your workflow reliable. Sharing is secure and flexible. Inside your organization, you can share files or folders with specific roles, tailoring what people can do like viewing or collaborating. When you need to share externally, generate a link that's protected with a password and set an expiration date. This way, partners get exactly what they need for a limited time and your content stays protected. Always double-check roles and link settings before sending to ensure the right level of access. WorkDrive fits into your day wherever you are. Use desktop sync through TrueSync to keep files aligned between the cloud and your computer, so your folders remain consistent across devices. On mobile, the WorkDrive apps let you access, review, and collaborate while you are away from your desk. And because it integrates directly with Zoho's apps, your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations flow naturally into your broader workflows, all with role-based permissions guiding who can do what. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.